Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make fresh tea. A cup of tea with your DeLonghi Magnifica machine. There, as you can see, there is a cup and there is a bag of tea, instant tea. We are going to prepare now the machine to make hot water, because your DeLonghi Magnifica is able to heating up water for a fresh cup of tea. Oh yeah, this is nice. Important danger of burns. Never leave the machine unsupervised while delivering hot water. Stop delivery of hot water when the cup is full. The cappuccino maker becomes hot while water is being delivered and must be held by the handle only. First step, switch on the machine. And there will come the water. This is the water tank. The water tank is on the right side of the DeLonghi Magnifica machine. And now, as you can see, if the machine is booting up, the machine will clean the tubes inside with hot fresh water. This hot fresh water you are going to use to make your cup a little bit of hotter, because of hot tea is a good tea, isn't it? And if the machine is ready with pumping, you can dip the hot water into the drain. But now let's have a look to make fresh tea. And the tea will going under this steaming knob. And the steaming knob you have only to turn open, and then hot water is coming out. Easy going, as you can see. There it is. So it works. And take care, it's hot. It's really hot. But this is only a test. So give it back, and now let's go. Our cup is now hot. This is not the way you have to do it, but for a hot cup, you can perform it like that. So back to topic. Place a container under the cappuccino maker as close as possible. Check that the cup and the double cup lights are on steadily. This is important because this will indicate you that water is ready. Turn the steam knob a half turn anti-clockwise as far as it will go. Delivery begins. So let's rotate it more, and there it comes. The tea is inside the cup, and now the hot water is coming out. Stop by turning the steam knob back to position 0 if the cup is full, or full enough for you. If energy saving mode is active, you may have to wait a few seconds before the hot water is delivered. To produce steam immediately after preparing hot water, you should open the steam knob for a few seconds to empty the water circuits. And now, as you can see, let's make a little bit more water, but this is enough. Rotate back to position 0, and the delivery of hot water is done. Easy going, as you can see, to make fresh instant tea with your DeLonghi machine. Yeah, you do not have to push the button for steam, because we only need water. And as you can see, delicious tea is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon, delicious tea.